Hello and welcome to Sea Gunzals. I will join on the Sea Gunzals video class number 1, 11.4 on 11 Express Service train replacement. Thank you for watching Sea Gunzals. Hello and welcome to Sea Gunzals. I will join on the Sea Gunzals videoing another limited express bus departing Camberwell for journey to Parliament as a train replacement. The bus number is 760 by possibly some twisted. Thank you for watching Sea Gunzals. Hello and welcome to Sea Gunzals. I will join on the Sea Gunzals video stuff. Still eating a packet of twisties, but also videoing an all stations bus to Parliament, which is now pulling up, so I don't know why I decided to video it. Thank you for watching non-Sea Gunzals. Okay, a bus coming. I don't exactly know what it is. I think it might be train replacement. Yep, sure is. Okay, this train replacement bus is going, but right behind it is another train replacement bus. Okay, train replacement bus going.